Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the next chapter, that is organizing. Organizing is the second function of management which helps the management to develop the relationship among the workers, those are working in the organization, and also it is an important function of management which helps in collecting the different resources for the achievement of organizational objective. Resources may be man, material, machine and money. So whenever the resources come, then we have to discuss about these four resources. These are 4M, which may be man, material, machine and money. These are the four resources required to perform the different activities in the organization, and organizing is an important function which helps in collecting these four resources. So it is the second function of management. So before starting the chapter, we have to discuss about the meaning of organizing. Once the management finish its planning activities, then this function may be arises over there. As we discussed earlier, that without planning no any other function can be properly performed. That is why we can say after making the plan, the management has to perform the second function, that is called organizing, in which the primary objective of the firm is to collect the different resources for performing the different activities in the organization. Resources may be man, material, machine and money. Organizing does not stuck only over here only, but it also helps in creating the authority responsibility relationship among the workers, those are working in the organization. As we know that authority means power to take decision, responsibility means obligations to perform the work. That is why we can say organizing is an important function which clearly define the authority and responsibility relationship among the workers, those are working in the organization. So it also helpful for the management because it remove all type of problems, all type of confusion from the mind of the worker, that who will be responsible and who will be authorized to perform the different activities in the organization. That is why it is an important function of management which is to be performed by the different managers, those are working in the organization. Without performing this function, no any good relations will be developed between superior and subordinate, and also there will be a lack of resources which is required to perform the different tasks. That is why we can say organizing is an important function which has to be performed by each and every manager in a best possible manner to create the availability of resources and to satisfy the worker, those are working in the organization. So student, this is the definition, this is the meaning of the organizing. So after that we have to discuss about the process of organizing, and this process also have an importance in the importance for the board examination. So at first, the first step of this process is identification and division of work, and in the first step, every management has to identify that what type of activity the company is going to perform, whether the company is going to do the production of goods, whether the company is going to involve in distributing the products. That type of activity should be identify the management in the first step of the organizing. After identifying the work, the management has to divide the work among the worker as per their eligibility, experience, knowledge and skills of the worker, because we know that if the workers get the work according to their skills and eligibility, then only they can perform their work in a best possible manner. If they do not get the work according to their eligibility, then ultimately they face a lot of problems in performing the work. That is why we can say it is the first step of organizing function, in which the management has to identify that what type of activity they are going to perform and how they delegate or distribute the work among the workers, those are working in the organization. So after that, the another step is departmentalization. Departmentalization means in which the management keep the similar activities under one department to form the departmentalization. Like In sales department, all the workers are related to selling out the product to the customer, and they try to satisfy the need of the customer. So all the people are working together to sell out the product or to increase the sale of the product. So that we can say departmentalization can be divided into two parts. First one is functional departmentalization, another one is divisional departmentalization. And the what we call functional departmentalization is famous for producing one line of product only, or we can say functional departmentalization can be used by that organization which is going to produce only one line of product for the customer. And this departmentalization is well known for creating the functional specialization among the workers, those are working in the organization. That is why we can say functional departmentalization is very much important for the company, because it helps in developing the functional specialization among the workers. Another one is divisional departmentalization. This type of departmentalization is generally used by that particular organization which is going to produce more than one line of product. So there are many companies, those are generally producing more than one line of product, and they are creating the product specialization among the workers, those are working in the organization. That is why we can say this department is well known for this departmentalization is well known for those companies which are going to produce more than one line of product. So departmentalization is categorized into two parts. The another step is assignment of duties. After doing the departmentalization, the management has to assign the job or assign the duties to among the workers, those are working in the organization, in which the management focus over that the workers should get the work as per their eligibility and experience only. If they do not get the work according to their skills, then problem may be arises in the organization, and in which the management create the departmentalization and assign the work to the people, those are working under the different departments also, in which also management prepare the job profile for the worker, in which they clearly mention that what will be the responsibilities of the worker, what will be the authority of the worker, and how long the worker have to work in the organization, what will be the specific target of each and every worker. It will be mentioned under the assignment of duties. And the last step is reporting relationship. It is an important part of this process, because reporting relationship is very much essential, because it clarifies that who is superior and who is subordinate, who from whom the workers get the instruction and to whom they have to report in the organization. And it can also justify by the authority, by the level of authority, as we can say the person who is exercising more authority in the organization will be considered as a superior, and the person who is exercising less authority will be considered as a subordinate. And always superior give the command to their subordinate, and subordinate has to report to their superior. That is why the organizing function is very much important to develop the authority and responsibility relationship among the superior and subordinate. It is also represent as a reporting relationship. So students, this is the meaning of organizing and process of organizing. You just go through from the notes also, you just revise this topic well and prepare for your upcoming class test, in which the syllabus is given by me. That is the first chapter nature and significance of management, and the another chapter is principles of management, in which in both of chapters you have to go through the MCQs and subjective type questions only, and the weightage of the question paper will be 20 marks. So prepare well for your test also and score well for it. So all the best. Stay home, stay safe.